Hello, I'm Christina.
I'm Andrew.
This is part 4 of the Intro to Arduino series, and today we're covering buzzers. The active buzzer has 2 legs, which are positive and negative. They're marked on the bottom, and the positive side's also marked on the top. So for this tutorial, you'll need a breadboard, Arduino Uno, active buzzer, a 2K ohm resistor, and four jumper wires. First, to start, put the buzzer into the breadboard. Place the resistor on the negative leg. Connect the resistor to ground of the breadboard. And as we mentioned in the video with the LEDs, it's just so that the buzzer doesn't shriek. Connect the positive leg to pin 9. And connect the ground and VCC of the breadboard to ground and 5 volts of the Arduino. And now for the code. There's a link in the description to the code, or feel free to pause the video and type it yourself. The code simply turns the buzzer off and on using the tone and no tone built-in functions. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to watch part 5 of this series where we cover servo motors. Bye!